Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add watermark on PDF file. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's go and dive in. So the first we need to go and open the browser. I'm going to choose Google Chrome here, which is my favorite one, and just go easily and open Google. And once you go to Google, search for I love PDF. And here open this website, I love PDF dash online PDF tools for PDF lovers. Open this one here. And the link ilovepdf.com. So you can even go and search for ilovepdf.com directly, and you'll be directed here easily with one step. So once you're here, you need to scroll down. As you can see, we got a lot of options such as merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, and so on and so far. But this is not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is watermark, this option here. We need to scroll down until we can find watermark between sign PDF and rotate PDF. So we click here on watermark, and then we need to upload our PDF file either by click here or drop the PDF file, as you can see here on this caption. So I'm going to choose select PDF file. In here you can choose any file that you got. In my case, I would go with downloads and search for this file as an example to show you how to add the watermark. So let's pick up this one here. Now once you pick up the PDF file, this is the text. You can choose either between place text or an image, but I prefer to add a text. So this is the text that you're going to add. And this is the position. As you can see, this, once you click here, it's reflected automatically on the red point. So we can choose any position, or even we can click on this option to fill the watermark to the PDF file. So I'm going to choose the text here. I'm going to change it to watermark, and then click on add watermark and wait a few seconds. In here, you're going to click on download PDF with a watermark. Click here and wait a few seconds, and it's been downloaded. Just click on open here to check the PDF file. And as you can see, we got watermark here up to the right bottom, up to the left, in the middle, here as well, here, and so on. And that's how we can add a watermark to our PDF file using this tool. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can leave us a comment down below in the comment section if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.